to fully maximize the potential of your iPhone or iPad. Running the latest iOS 17, it's crucial to customize your device to match your individual needs and preferences. One of the fundamental aspects you can tailor is the way time is displayed on your device. Whether you wish to alter the time format, adjust your time zone settings, or use different clock faces across various screens, this tutorial will guide you through the process, step by step. First, you need to start from the home screen. Swipe your finger down from the upper left corner, and the notification center will appear. Press and hold the part of the screen you want, then click on Customize. At the bottom of the screen, you will be given the option to choose between the lock screen or home screen. Select the lock screen. Now, all you need to do is click on the clock, a menu with various options. For customizing, the clock's appearance will appear. You can choose different fonts for the clock. For iOS 17, we have 6 different fonts. Choose the one that suits you the most. The slider below the fonts is for adjusting the thickness of the numbers on the clock. Of course, the last option is for selecting colors. As you can see, we have a wide range of colors, and the last option is for selecting precise color shades. When you finish editing your clock, all you need to do is click on Done. In the upper right corner, all your changes will be saved. In this short and quick, but very useful tutorial, we've shown you how to change the appearance of your clock in iOS 17. If you want more tutorials like this, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you soon.